With its vast expanse and many wonders, the cosmos has captivated the human imagination for centuries. Humanity has been trying for years to understand what's happening outside of our planet and how it affects our lives on Earth. But what if we did more than try to understand it? What if we dared to embark on a thought experiment, envisioning a rearrangement of the solar system, where we replace the iconic ringed giant, Saturn, with an even more iconic and ringed giant, Super Saturn J1407b? Well, let's find out. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system, after Jupiter. Saturn is also one of the ringed planets, in addition to Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. However, Saturn stands out from the other ringed planets because its rings are the biggest and brightest. This is why ancient Babylonians, who first identified many of the planets in our ecosystem, didn't need a telescope to identify Saturn. Saturn's rings were bright enough to be visible to the naked eye. Even though the first sighting of Saturn happened hundreds of years ago, there is still a lot unknown about Saturn's fascinating rings. From afar, it looks like there are 7 large rings, but a closer look shows that each of those large rings comprises many small rings, sometimes called ringlets. These rings are made of pieces of ice and rock in varying sizes. Scientists think some of these pieces might be chunks of Saturn's many moons. Speaking of Saturn, it has more than 60 moons that have been identified, but there are speculations that the actual number could be in the hundreds. Super Saturn J1407b is an exoplanet located 433.8 light-years away from Earth, in the constellation of Centaurus. The discovery of this exoplanet is relatively recent, as it was just discovered in 2012 by the University of Rochester. J1407b is more extensive than any single planet in our solar system. It has a mass that's about 90% of our Sun. Now, like our Saturn, J1407b has rings, about 37 of them. But J1407b's rings are said to be 200 times larger than Saturn's, each of them tens of millions of kilometers in diameter. Saturn has the largest rings in our solar system. We would have to agree that the size of J1407b is difficult to fathom. Considering how large J1407b's rings are, it's no wonder it's the first possible exoplanet discovered with a ring system. Scientists say that the way J1407b orbits its parent star, V1400 Centauri, could be disruptive to its ring system. So, it's a wonder how Super Saturn has remained in orbit this long. We could all see J1407b because the rings would be 10 times more visible during the day and night. It would be much more visible than the Moon, resembling a giant flying saucer in our sky. Many would find it quite fascinating once they get over the shock, but that would certainly be the least of our worries. Because J1407b is such a giant planet than Saturn, it has a greater gravitational pull than our ringed planet. This astronomical exoplanet could significantly affect the orbits of nearby celestial bodies, throwing them off course as it exerts a much more vital force on the objects around it. Even more, the increased gravitational force could induce commotion in the orbits of nearby planets, causing them to deviate from their regular orbital paths. Considering its proximity to Saturn, Jupiter would likely be the most affected by this change. Jupiter, the largest planet in our exosystem, would find itself dethroned by Saturn on steroids, resulting in Jupiter being pulled into J1407b's gravitational grip. And considering how wide Super Saturn's rings go, getting dragged closer to its orbital space would only spell disaster. However, Jupiter is not the only planet that would be affected. Even Mars, on the other side of Saturn, might find itself being drawn closer, putting the planet at an increased risk of asteroid impacts. Over more extended periods, the continuous gravitational pull from Super Saturn could induce secular changes. Unlike short-term disturbances, secular changes occur due to the continuous gravitational pull over many orbital cycles. We can expect the gravitational pull to be constant over a long period. However, these changes might take time to notice, but thousands of years from the replace, our cosmos would look very different from what it looked like before. The changes in the gravitational environment and the instability that comes with it could also affect the orbits of Saturn's many moons. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, currently the second largest in our solar system, would bow to Super Saturn's strong gravitational force. Other moons could be similarly drawn inwards or flung outwards, depending on how attracted they are to or repelled by Super Saturn's gravitational field. The new gravitational environment could also result in tidal heating, the repeated deformation of the moons due to tides from the new planet. This deformation could, understandably, affect the geological activity of the different moons, throwing the entire solar system out of whack. In the worst-case scenario, some moons might be ejected from their orbits because they can no longer contain the increased energy. With the moons out of whack, the shape and composition of Super Saturn's rings might also be significantly affected. As we mentioned, scientists believe that the rings might be made out of chunks of the moon. So, if the moons are closer or farther than they used to be, or have even completely left Super Saturn's orbit, it makes sense that everything about its rings, from the structure to the density and stability, could change. Interestingly, Super Saturn's moons would not be the only moons affected. Moons of other planets in the solar system might also experience tidal effects due to the altered gravitational field. As a result, the moons might experience changes in their internal structures, surface features, geological activities, and orbital patterns. Also, Super Saturn would induce orbital adjustments in other planets, as we already mentioned. In that case, it makes sense that those changes would also be reflected in how the other planets orbit their moons. The solar system would experience changes in celestial events on a broader scale. The paths of meteoroid streams could be diverted or altered, leading to changes in the timing and intensity of meteor showers. Some meteor showers might become more prominent, while others might diminish. What's more, there might be a rise of entirely new celestial phenomena that we might not be able to imagine with the knowledge of our current solar system. The altered solar system dynamics might also result in an interplanetary life migration. If life actually exists on other planets or moons, changes in orbits and gravitational interactions might precipitate a movement of microbial life between planets or moons. It can lead us to plant seeds that make uninhabitable planets and moons inhabitable. And provided Earth is not one of those planets that become uninhabitable, having other inhabitable planets might be a good thing, considering the mess we've already made on our planet. But how disruptive could it be for our planet? The view would likely be breathtaking. J1407b's colossal ring system would be clearly visible from Earth. If we're into the beauty of celestial bodies, we would appreciate the show that Super Saturn would effortlessly put on, even without the need for telescopes. But do not let any of that deceive you. Replacing Saturn for Super Saturn would be dangerous for our planet. The increased mass of Super Saturn J1407b would lead to more vital tidal forces on Earth. This could result in higher tides, changes in tidal patterns, and even increased coastal erosion over an extended period. The distance between Earth and the Sun and its orbital cycle might change. As a result, we might notice changes in the length of our days and years, as well as changes in seasons. These changes in seasons would not only be about the length and timing, but also about the intensity. We might start to experience winters that are a lot colder, and summers that are a lot hotter. It's definitely different from the changes that we're looking for. With these seasonal changes would also come changes in climate zones, precipitation patterns, and temperature distributions worldwide. Regions that were once fertile due to consistent precipitation may start to experience shifts in their water availability. The changes in precipitation patterns could also result in frequent or prolonged droughts in some areas, and frequent or protracted floods in others. We can only imagine the impact that all of these changes would have on things like water resources, agriculture, and the stability of ecosystems. For one, crops traditionally grown in specific climate zones may need to be adapted or replaced with other crops best suited to the new conditions. The timing of planting and harvesting needs to be adjusted to align with the changing climate. And let's not forget that climate changes could lead to productivity variations, potentially affecting global food supplies and prices. It's not just about food. Ecosystems are intricately linked to climate conditions, so the changes that Super Saturn would bring could lead to shifts in plant and animal species distribution, affecting biodiversity and ecosystem composition. Some species might have to migrate to more suitable habitats, while others might eventually become extinct as they lose the battle to adapt. Fragile ecosystems, like polar regions and coral reefs, would be particularly vulnerable to the changes. There would also likely be a mass migration of the human species if Super Saturn becomes the new Saturn. As we've already established, the replacement would have significant climatic and seasonal consequences that would make certain areas uninhabitable. It's either that, or we would have to develop some adaptation strategies to survive in what might be considered unfavorable conditions. In addition, the mighty replacement could adjust the orbital parameters of Earth and other celestial bodies, influencing the occurrence and characteristics of solar eclipses. Specifically, the frequency and locations of solar eclipses might change thanks to the change in Earth's orbit. The paths and visibility of solar eclipses could also be affected. But there's no possible way to know whether it would mean fewer to zero solar eclipses or a lot more than are comfortable. And all of these things apply to lunar eclipses as well. There's more. As we've already established, the replacement would alter the gravitational dynamics of our solar system, and the positions of stars and constellations as observed from the Earth would also change. So, forget Orion and Gemini, as they might appear distorted or displaced. New patterns might appear in the night sky, potentially leading to the recognition of new constellations. Super Saturn J1407b's presence might also affect the brightness and visibility of certain stars. Increased light pollution from the new celestial body could impact the night sky clarity. And of course, all of this would appear brighter, distorted, or displaced from Earth because distortions have already happened in the appearance of the Milky Way and other galactic structures. There's no denying that astronomers would have a field day with this replacement if human life survived it long enough. There would be unprecedented opportunities for learning and discovery, and we might even see some new areas of study crop up. Also, observing and studying the altered night sky might reveal new insights into celestial mechanics and planetary dynamics. Astronomers would have to refine and develop new models to accurately predict the long-term behavior of the solar system under the changed conditions. There's a lot about the impact of swapping Saturn for Super Saturn that astronomers would only be able to determine if the swap happened. The complexity of the scenario would necessitate collaboration across various scientific disciplines, including astronomy, astrophysics, planetary science, and celestial mechanics. This interdisciplinary approach would contribute to a more comprehensive understanding of the implications of the cosmic replacement. Science is not the only field that would be significantly affected by the presence of Super Saturn in our solar system. The very fact that Super Saturn's rings would be visible from Earth might give rise to some new religions, as some people might consider the rings to be the presence of God. J1407b's presence would also spark a cultural revolution, rewriting myths and inspiring awe and terror in equal measure. Moreover, realizing that our night sky is now shared with a massive celestial body like Super Saturn could lead to existential inquiries about human identity and purpose. We might see a rise of new philosophers asking essential questions about the role of humanity in the vastness of space, the interconnectedness of planetary communities, and the existential impact of living in the presence of such a cosmic giant. These inquiries could lead to new perspectives on human existence and our relationship with the cosmos. J1407b's arrival would probably not be the end of our world, but the beginning of a new chapter. And more than anything, this speculative claim underscores the dynamic nature of our cosmos and the deep interconnectedness of celestial bodies, gravitational forces, and the very fabric of space and time.